Hi everybody, welcome to today's game. Martin Tyler here with Alan Smith. The game today, Tottenham against Wolverhampton Wanderers. We've got some very clever passing players in this game, haven't we?
We have. We've got a couple of lads here that use their teammates well with little 1-2s. They're always looking for those give and goes.
Spurs have started the first half. This is today's Tottenham Hotspur team. Well, we think, Alan, it'll be a 4-5-1 formation, which can look a bit negative.
Yeah, but you look at the players in that five, that midfield five, and I think a couple at least will be trying to support the lone frontman.
And now the shot! Up for grabs here. Good vision here. Dele Alli. Now that's a throw. Sace. Excellent interception. Shot on! Right from the kick-off. They look like scoring, they have now.
Sharp from the off, and what a good goal.
And it's Son who's caught the goalkeeper napping.
Oh, that big, beaming smile comes out once again.
Well, here's the goal again. Well, that goal has put Tottenham Hotspur into the lead.
Tottenham Hotspur goal!
Gian Moutinho. Jimenez. Probing away, trying to find room for a shot maybe. Strong challenge. Son. Gian Moutinho. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Can really get at the opposition here. Jimenez. A chance to break away now on the counter. Dele Alli looking for a through ball. And the goalkeeper reached for it, but he didn't have to reach at full stretch.
Made a bit of a meal of it there.
He's put in the corner. Alderweireld! Real opportunity with a chance like that to pull ahead.
Well, that's when a manager wants to see a ruthlessness about his strikers.
Doherty. Jimenez. Gian Moutinho. Bit predictable with the passing and the opposition able to deal with that. Well, they're in a good position here. Has to clear it. Dele Alli. Son! Well, he's tried for his second goal of the game. The keeper's got the better of him this time.
Well, you thought there was only one winner there, but in the end it was the keeper that came forward and did the business.
It's unlike him, really, to play the ball straight to the opposition. Well, suddenly they could be on the counter-attack. Jimenez. Well, still going towards goal quickly. Gone for the ball. Dele Alli. I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Son. Lucas. Onto the attack now. That's cut out. They've lost the ball and the counter-attack could be there. It's been okay so far from Tottenham Hotspur. Just a few minutes to go to half-time.
Yeah, we've been used to seeing some free-flowing football. There's been enough out there in this first half.
Well, this is a tough time for Tottenham. They have the lead. They want to hang on to that lead to half-time. At the moment, it's quite difficult for them in this game. And, of course, they've still got the second half to consider. past his man there. The shot's on! The defenders managed to get in the way there. That will be a corner. Short corner.
The referee has indicated...
Got his shot off now! Oh, that would have looked great if it had flown in, but in the end it didn't fly very close at all.
No, he looked a bit embarrassed after that effort.
Here's Ali. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. And now the second period, the second half is underway. Dendoncker. Got on the ball in midfield, well read by the player in that part of the pitch. Son. Made a quick interception. Into the attacking third. Chance for the cross. Well, now they're behind. They've got to try and switch things around. And here comes a substitution. Dele Alli. I think that's a good performance, isn't it, Alan, from him in the first half? Guided through. Put in from the wide area. Good stop by the goalkeeper. Tottenham Hotspur in possession here. Got the opposition backpedaling a little bit. In with a chance. Simple save for Rui Patricio. Dele Alli. Tried his luck. Good work by the goalkeeper. Lucas. Son. Opportunity here. Brilliant reach by the goalkeeper to make the save.
Wow, I think even his defenders are shocked at that. Well, the tide has been heading in only one direction, and a chance here, according to the crowd, to get a goal.
He's coming off now. He is a defensive midfield player, but you think he could play in all aspects of that particular part of the pitch. He's certainly good on the ball.
Yeah, he is. He's one of those. He's just a footballer, pure and simple, and he can play in a variety of positions. And this is his proper one, his favourite one, and we saw why today.
Toby Alderweireld. They continue to defend as a unit, but no real attacking outlet, so the game is being played in their half. Now he's looking for support. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Can finish it off. Real opportunity with a chance like that to pull ahead.
Well, that's when a manager wants to see a ruthlessness about his strikers.
I see a substitute coming on for the away team here. Trying to steer it through. Ali! Hit it hard, but not very true. Well, the manager not wasting any time here. He's going to make the change, and they are going to try and turn this around. To Bennett. Got to keep the ball here under some pressure. Proper tackle that. Diogo Jota. Here's Jota. And he's gone and won the ball with a very good tackle. Sanchez. Here's Ali. It's been a very enjoyable game, particularly I think for the Tottenham supporters, who will be pleased with the consistency that their team have shown. Out of play for a throw. Diogo Jota. Would be a good result for Tottenham if they do win it, but there's still time for a change.
There is, but if they could hold out, this would do them an awful lot of good.
7 minutes to go. Well, we've had some chances, Alan, but it threads it through. Son! Oh, there's still just one in front, but for the goalkeeper, it would have been two.
Well, maybe they'll get a bit of belief late on in this game after such a fantastic stop.
Well, here comes the corner. Oh, that's good defending. He has cleared it well. Dele Alli. Here's Dyer. Son. Got his shot off now. Well, they've got a corner, so they're still on the front foot here. And another goal, and the game will be theirs this late on.
There will be a minimum of 3 minutes.
Pull it back here to set up a chance. It's a very good interception. The shot's on! Well, he hit it well enough.
Yeah, maybe just a bit off balance there, actually.
Final whistle goes. Victory for Tottenham Hotspur. It was a wonderful game, and they've won it just.
Well, a game that we will remember, I think, Martin, for many weeks and months to come.
Some final thoughts on one of the better performers today, Alan.
Yep, he gave those defenders a torrid time out there. Got the goal, the all-important one, and had loads of chances.